questions. Let us see. The first one. Be ready to answer in the chat box. Okay. She often quotes dash Shakespeare. Yes. Options are there. Akshay, your answer? What's Akshay's answer? Yes.
From.
Akshay says it is from. Yes, I want answers in the chat box. Yes, yes. From option A. Yes, option A. Okay, yes, option A, from. Yes, your answer is correct, children. It is from. So again, this is lesson end question, no? I am repeatedly telling you, children, grammar part, you can very well expect questions from lesson and exercise. That's why learning them, revising them is very necessary. If you get any doubt anywhere, please ask me, I'll help you. Okay? Yes. Then second one, Gandhiji more than any leader dash India's struggle for freedom. This question I have given once for a unit test. Yes. What's your answer, Akshay?
Symbolize.
Symbolize. Okay. Symbol. Option A you are seeing. Symbolizes. Okay. Sumit says option C. Rashmi says option D. Okay. Yashaswini option B. Kavya option B. Then Sinchana yes but option C. Shreya Bhatt option B. So let us see here, children. It is option B, symbolizes. Okay, Gandhi ji symbolizes. So here symbolize is the verb form, right? Symbolize is the verb form. Gandhi ji is third person singular. That is why Gandhi ji symbolizes. Gandhiji, more than any leader, symbolizes India's struggle for freedom. So, symbolize cannot be the correct answer because it is Gandhiji is third person singular. Symbolic is not the correct answer, and symbol is noun, symbolic is adjective. That's why symbolizes is correct answer. Next, third question. Dash our many faults. Our parents love us. Choose the most appropriate alternative and fill in the blank. Again, it is lesson and question. Yes. Tell me the answer. Yes, option B. Option B. Yes, option A is not correct. Option A is not correct. B. Next. B. B. Yes, your answer is correct. Option B is the correct answer. In spite of our faults, our parents, yes, in spite of many faults, our parents love us. In spite of is the correct answer there. Yes. Next question, children. Question number 30. She was an elf in Pinas. What is the figure of speech? She was that, she was that. This, my legs are pillars. Okay. So, what is the figure of speech used here? Yes, you are saying that it is option B. Simile, somebody told. But yes, option B. Metaphor, someone is telling. Who is that metaphor? Who told metaphor? Akshay? Can you?
Many of them think option B.
Option B, yes. The correct answer is metaphor. She is an elf in finance. So that is metaphor. Direct comparison is there. Implied one it is. So that one, that small boat, that it was called elf in Pinas by the poet there. That's why it is metaphor. Yes. Next one. Next question. Mount Everest is dash tallest peak in dash Himalayas. Yes, your answer. Yes. Yes. Option C. The. Option C. Yashaswini Sumuk. Yes. Option C. Sudhanva. Option C. Shreya Bhatt. Option C. Very good. So the correct answer is option C. So Mount Everest. Yes, Shreya Bhatt. Shreya Bhatt, can I talk to you?
Yes, Mataji.
Shreya, why do you say that it is option C?
Mataji, the tallest superlative form. So
Very
we
good.
have to use the.
Hmm.
And for mountains, Himalayas are mountain ranges, so we have to use the.
Yeah, mountain ranges. Before mountain ranges, before rivers, we have to use the, no? That's why the is the correct answer. Very good. Huh? Next one. Next question is, when he saw her courage, he felt ashamed of his own. Yes, option. Yes, covered eyes. That is Siri. Siri told it is covered eyes. Others, what is that? Option D. Yes, yes. Option D is the correct answer. Covered eyes. Because courage, it is noun. Courage means you know the meaning of courage. Okay, courage in a ವಿರುದ್ಧ ಪದ ಧೈರ್ಯ. ಕರೇಜ್ ಅಂದ್ರೆ ಧೈರ್ಯ. ಹೇಳಿತನಕ್ಕೆ ಏನ್ ಹೇಳ್ತಾರೆ? ಕವರ್ಡ್ ಐಸ್ ಅಂತ ಹೇಳ್ತಾರೆ. ಡಿಸ್ಕರೇಜ್ ಅಂದ್ರೆ ವರ್ಬ್ ಆಯ್ತು. ಆಮೇಲೆ ಎನ್ಕರೇಜ್ ಅಂದ್ರೂ ಕೂಡ ವರ್ಬ್ ಆಯ್ತು. ಕವರ್ಡ್ ಹೇಳಿದ್ರೆ ಅಲ್ಲಿ ಆನ್ಸರ್ ಇಲ್ಲ. ಕವರ್ಡ್ ಐಸ್ ಈಸ್ ದ ಕರೆಕ್ಟ್ ಆನ್ಸರ್. ಓಕೆ, ಎಸ್. ನೆಕ್ಸ್ಟ್ ಒನ್. She sang melodiously. The appropriate question tag to be used here is, which is the appropriate? Yes.
Didn't she?
So Akshay says it is didn't she. Anish, what's your answer? Anish? Anish, may I speak to you?
Mataji,
Yes, what's your answer?
doesn't she?
You say that it is doesn't she. Okay, next I'll get the answer from Vaishnavi GM.
Didn't she?
Didn't she? Why is it didn't she, Vaishnavi?
Did plus sing, sang.
Very good. So sang means did sing. So did sing is positive. Negative, it should be made in question tag. That's why didn't she is correct answer, not doesn't she. Instead of sang, if there is she sings, then sings means does sing. Howda? Anish, you got your mistake? Anish? Anish?
Yes.
Okay, so the correct answer is Anish.
Didn't she?
Didn't she? Good. Huh? Next, after that, next question. Jenner in England had already discovered vaccination for smallpox. The passive form of the above sentence is, Jenner in England had already discovered. Had. So go for the answers. Aniket says B. Sumit B. Aniket Yashaswini B. Yes. Kripa says, Vaishnavi V. Hegde says it is B. Yes. Next, others. Charan says B. Shaman says B. Sinchana, yes, everybody is saying it is B. Let us see. Vaccination for smallpox had already been discovered. Yes, it is the correct answer. Had discovered. ಇತ್ತು. ಹ್ಯಾಡ್ ಡಿಸ್ಕವರ್ಡ್ ಇದ್ದಿದ್ದು ನಮಗೆ ಪಾಸ್ಟ್ ಪರ್ಫೆಕ್ಟ್ ಟೆನ್ಸ್ ಅಲ್ಲಿ ಇರೋದು. ಹ್ಯಾಡ್ ಬೀನ್ ಡಿಸ್ಕವರ್ಡ್ ಆಗ್ತದೆ ಪ್ಯಾಸಿವ್ ವಾಯ್ಸ್ ಅಲ್ಲಿ. ಲೆಟ್ ಅಸ್ ಸಿ ಆಪ್ಷನ್ 1. ಆಪ್ಷನ್ ಎ, ವ್ಯಾಕ್ಸಿನೇಷನ್ ಫಾರ್ ಸ್ಮಾಲ್ ಪಾಕ್ಸ್ ವಾಸ್. ವಿ ಕೆನಾಟ್ ಯೂಸ್ ವಾಸ್ ದೇರ್ ಬಿಕಾಸ್ ಇನ್ ದ ಕ್ವಶನ್ ವಿ ಹ್ಯಾವ್ ಹ್ಯಾಡ್. Let us see option C. Vaccination for smallpox has already. No, it is not also correct answer because in the question we have past perfect tense, not present perfect tense. That's why we cannot use has been. We have to use had been. Option D, vaccination for smallpox is already. No, it is not possible. Okay. Yes. So the correct answer is option B. Now, Darjeeling is more beautiful than any other hill station in India. Positive degree of the above sentence. Yes, go for the answer. Akshay? Thinking. Others, tell me the answer. C. Charan C. Yashaswini C. Kripa says it is C. Nikhil Aregde, Animesh, yes. Yes, yes, yes. So the correct answer, definitely it is, I think, option C. No other hill station in India is as beautiful as Darjeeling. So this is general case. Let us see the question once again. Darjeeling is more beautiful than any other hill station. ಹೌದಾ? ಎನಿ ಅದರ್ ಇರೋದಕ್ಕೆ ಅದು ಜನರಲ್ ಡಿಗ್ರಿ. ಮೆನಿ ಅಥವಾ ಮೋಸ್ಟ್ ಇದ್ರೆ ಸ್ಪೆಷಲ್ ಕೇಸ್ ಆಗಿರೋದು. ಇದು ಜನರಲ್ ಕೇಸ್ ಇದೆ ಇಲ್ಲಿ. So in general case, in positive degree, sentence starts with no other. So here option A and option C have no other. Very few. Option B wrong. Then option D, many other hill stations, wrong. Why option A is wrong? Let us see. No other hill stations in India is more beautiful than Darjeeling. So no other hill station than, they have brought comparative form. Than comes in comparative form. That's why this is wrong. Option A is wrong. Option C is the correct answer. Yes. Let us go for next one. Yes, next page. Yes. So here we have next question. As we were tired, we went slowly. The simple form of this sentence is. Yes. Simple form of this sentence is. Who will tell me the simple form of this sentence? Yes, you are all typing some option B, option B, option B. Yes, option B. Yes, option B. You are all typing option B. Let me see option B. Being tired, we went slowly. Yes, that is correct answer. See, option A. We were tired and we went slowly. It is compound sentence. We went slowly, we were tired. Both are independent clauses. Next, we were tired, so we went slowly. These are also independent ones. And so and are coordinating conjunctions, compound sentences. We went slowly because we were tired. This is complex sentence because subordinate conjunction. Okay? Yes. Next one. Meet, blue, B-L-U-E, blue. The answer is B-L-E-W. Yes. Yes. Homophone it is. Please everybody type fast. Blue, B-L-U-E, blue. Its homophone is B-L-E-W. Next one, admit, admission, discover. Yes, now I want answer for. Yes, Akshay? Yes. Yes, the correct answer is discovery. Admit, admission. Admission is noun form. Discover, discovery is again noun form. Then beautiful, beauty, simple. Yes. Simplicity, Shaman. Yes. Simplicity. Yes. Rashmi Pai, simplicity. Yes. Arun. Arun. Arun, may I speak to you? Okay. So simplicity is the correct answer. Last one. Late, gate, wine. So these are rhyming words. Wine, fine, mine. Huh? Yes. You are all typing. Yes, fine, wine, mine, dine. So many things you can write answer. Okay. Then combine the following sentences using to and so that. My house is very far. I cannot walk. Take 1 minute time and write the answer. My house is too far. My house is too far. Yes, yes. My house is too far to walk. Yes. What about so that not? Using so that not. Using so that not. What's your answer? My house is so far that I cannot walk. My house is ಟೂ ಅಲ್ಲಿ ತಪ್ಪು ಬರ್ದಿದ್ದೀರಿ ನೀವು. ಮೈ ಹೌಸ್ ಈಸ್ ಟೂ ಫಾರ್ ಟು ವಾಕ್. ಯಾರದು? ಒಂದು ನಿಮಿಷ, ಹಿಂದಿಂದ ಯಾರ್ದಾಗಿತ್ತು? ಒಂದು ನಿಮಿಷ. ಮೈ ಹೌಸ್ ಇಸ್ ನೋ, ಇನ್ನೊಂದು ಚೂರು ಹಿಂದಿಂದು, ಇನ್ನೂ ಒಂದು ಹಿಂದಿಂದು. ಎಸ್, ಇಟ್ ಈಸ್ ಅನಿಕೇತ್ನೋ, ಅಂಕಿತ್ ಅಲ್ಲ, ಇದ್ಯಾರು? ಕಾರ್ತಿಕ್ ಹೆಗ್ಡೆ. ಹಾಂ, ಕಾರ್ತಿಕ್ ಹೆಗ್ಡೆ. ಮೈ ಹೌಸ್ ಈಸ್ ಟೂ ಫಾರ್ ಟು ವಾಕ್. TOO ಫಸ್ಟ್ ಬರಬೇಕು, ಆಮೇಲೆ ಟು ಎರಡನೇ ಬರಬೇಕಾಯ್ತಾ? ಮೈ ಹೌಸ್ ಈಸ್ ಟೂ ಫಾರ್ ಮೀ ಟು ವಾಕ್. ನೆಕ್ಸ್ಟು ಸೋ ದ್ಯಾಟ್ ನಾಟ್ ಇದ್ದರೆ ಮೈ ಹೌಸ್ ಈಸ್ ಸೋ ಫಾರ್ ದ್ಯಾಟ್ ಐ ಕೆನಾಟ್ ವಾಕ್. ಓಕೆ, ಎಸ್. ನೆಕ್ಸ್ಟ್ ಕ್ವಶನ್. Rewrite the sentence using not only but also. Besides being intelligent, she is hardworking. Yes, using not only but also. Write the answer. Not only but also. She is not only intelligent but also hardworking. She is not only intelligent but also hardworking. Yes, your answer is correct. She is not only intelligent but also hardworking. Okay, yes. Next one. Next question is, frame a question to get the underlined words as answer. Anand was awarded for his bravery. Anand was awarded for his bravery. Yes, go for the answer. Why was Anand? Why Anand was alla? Why was Anand? Question form barbekalva. Why was Anand awarded? Next. Why was Anand awarded? Why was Anand awarded? Yes, your answer is correct. Why was Anand awarded? Okay. Or for what purpose Anand was awarded? For what Anand was awarded? That is also okay. So, this is one set of questions. Now, let us go for another set of questions. Yes, in this question paper, I have one doubt that we will leave before today evening. I will send you the answer in the group. Okay. So here, first question is, he was dash in keeping the news secret. The appropriate form to be filled in the blank. Yes, yes. Akshay says that it is successful. Others, option C. Successful. Option C. Option D is not correct. Who is that? Option D. Shanvi ಹೇಳಿದ್ದಲ್ವಾ? Option C. Sudanwal. Option C. Yes, option C. Jeevan says it is option C. Yes, correct answer is option C. Successful. So let us see. He was successful in keeping the news secret. Okay. Yes. Next one. Next one, the grey geese in a green field grazing. The figure of speech used here is, what is the figure of speech? Option B. Yes, very easy. Everyone is telling me the answer. Very nice. Yes, alliteration, because we have G there, no? The grey geese is. The grey geese in a green field is grazing. That's why it is alliteration. Next, he is one of the most talkative boys in the class. Positive degree. Positive degree. He is one of the most. One of the most. That means it is special form. Special form should begin with, yes, B. Option B you are all telling. Option B, yes. Yes, let us see option B. Very few boys in the class are as talkative as him. See other options. All the other three answers, all the other three options do not begin with very few. So this is a special case, no? He is one of the most talkative boys. One of the is there. So it is a special case. So that's why very few boys in the class are as talkative as him is the correct one. Next. Next question. Lata likes. What happened? Yes, wait a minute. So here, next question. Lata likes to watch cricket match. Yes, I want to keep this question pending. Afterwards, let us see. Lata likes to watch cricket match. Her mother likes to watch cricket match. The sentence can be combined into one by using either Lata likes to watch cricket match or her mother. Neither Lata likes. Not only Lata likes to watch cricket match, but also her mother likes to watch cricket match. So not only but also would go better here. Okay. But still I have a small confusion. We'll solve it later. Okay. With what is the question number 14? Okay. 34. Okay. 35. Question number 35. Let us see, children. My friend said, when is your birthday? The reported speech is, my friend said, when is your birthday? Yes, I want your answer in the chat box. Go for it. Yes, Akshay says it is option A. Yes, option A. Option A. Yes, everybody telling that it is option A. Okay. Yes, now correct answer, let us see. My friend asked me when my birthday was. Next, my friend asked me when your birthday. No, that is not correct. When my friend told me when your birthday. No, my friend asked when my birthday would be. No. Huh? The correct answer is my friend asked me when my birthday was. So the package containing books and records dash last week. So I have given this question once, no, for a unit test. Correct answer is option B. You are telling that it is option B. Yes. Yes, your answer is correct, children. Was delivered. Okay. Was delivered is the correct answer. Yes. Now let us go for next one. Observe the relationship in first pair of words and complete the second pair accordingly. Prize, price, soul. What is the answer? SOUL, soul. And another soul is? Yes, SOLE, Sinchana. Yes, but yes, all are sending me the answers. Yes, the correct answer is yes, Akshay.
SOL.
Yes, soul, soulmate. Next, duty, beautiful, crime. Duty, dutiful, crime. Yes, Rashmi gave me the answer. Others, please type your answer. What is the answer? Sumuk? Sumuk.
I think criminal.
Yes, Charan. Charan, what's your answer?
Which I don't know.
You don't know. Okay. What about Nikhila Regde?
Mataji, criminal.
Yes, criminal is the correct answer. Duty, dutiful, adjective. Crime, noun, criminal, adjective. The correct answer is criminal. Now, let us go for next one. Confusing, perplexing, tempt. Tempt. Yes. Type your answers. Tempt. What is the meaning of tempting? It tempted me. Tempt means ಟು ಅಟ್ರಾಕ್ಟ್ ಅಂತ ಅದು ಬೇಕು ಅಂತ ಹೇಳುವಂತಹ ಭಾವನೆ ಬರ್ತದಲ್ಲ, ದಟ್ ಈಸ್ ಕಾಲ್ಡ್ ಟೆಂಪ್ಟೇಷನ್, ಟೆಂಪ್ಟಿಂಗ್. ಓಕೆ, ಕ್ಯಾಡ್ಬರಿ ಟೆಂಪ್ಟೇಷನ್ ಚಾಕ್ಲೇಟ್ ಯು ಡೋಂಟ್ ನೋ, tempt, to attract. Okay, next one is responsible, irresponsible, expensive. Your answer is, children, you have to type the answer. I'm waiting. Yes, nobody knows the answer. Siri?
Inexpensive.
Next, Rashmi?
Cheap.
In or un?
Unexpensive.
Let us once, I will wait a minute. I thought it is unexpensive, but Siri told inexpensive. No, both are there. Okay, unexpensive, inexpensive. Unexpensive means so it seems that unexpensive is correct answer, but still I will get clarification for this later. I will send a message in the group. Okay, children. Now, as of now, I feel that it is unexpensive. Okay. Afterwards, I will send you the answer. Yes. Then, next one, combine the sentence to form a complex sentence and a compound sentence. He saved the life of a girl. He was given a medal. So, complex sentence. Yes, complex sentence and compound sentence. Compound sentence can be he saved the life of a girl, so he was given a medal, or else and so he was given a medal is compound sentence. As he saved the life of a girl, he was given a medal. Or since he saved the life of the girl, he got a medal. Otherwise, he got a medal because he saved the life of that girl. So because also you can use. Okay? Yes. Now, next question. Okay, so let us see the next question. I have been down dash malaria. Appropriate preposition to be filled in the blank is. Does anybody know the answer? Here, preposition. Please type your answer. What do you think is the answer? He was given a medal because, okay. Yes, complex, okay. Yes, now for this question, I want your answer. What do you think is the answer? Yes, from. Siri says that it is from. Sinchana says that it is from. Rashmi with. Vaishnavi, Yashaswini, yes, from you are saying. Yes, the correct answer is, children, option C, it is with. Okay, down with fever. Malaria is fever, no? I was down with malaria is the correct answer. Okay, yes. Next one, he will not pass, dash hard, he may try. Appropriate conjunction. What's your answer? Option A. No, I want the answer for this question. He will not pass dash hard he may try. Option B. Others. Others. Brihathi says option B. Rashmi.
जी option C.
Option C. Since hard. Rashmi. Since is not correct one. Ashwit. Ashwit. Next. Nitin. Nutan. Nutan. What happened? Aniket. Aniket.
Yeah, option B.
Option
Option
B.
B.
Option B is correct answer. However is correct answer. Huh? See, let us see. He will not pass however hard he may work. Okay. Rashmi, since cannot be the answer here. He will not pass since hard he may try. See here, it will not fit at all there. However, that is the correct answer. Next, dash newly appointed manager of the firm is dash NRI. Yes, answer is option A. Option A. Others, please. Option A. Option A. Yes, the correct answer is option A. The and. Let us see. The newly appointed manager of the firm is an NRI. Okay. There are many NRIs. Among them, this newly appointed officer is one. The newly appointed officer. We particularly know no, who is the newly appointed officer. That's why the newly appointed officer is an NRI. Okay. Yes. After that, next one. The governess looks after this little child, the passive voice form. Yes, go for answer. The passive voice form, the governess looks after. Option A. Option A. Yes, option A. Option A. Option A. Yes, option A is the correct answer. The little child is looked after by the governess. See, governess looks after. Simple present tense it is. Okay. In passive voice, now verb should be in V3 form, past participle. That's why looks after becomes looked after. But looks after is in simple present tense. And that's why before past participle, we have to use be form of helping verb, that is, which is used for present tense. Next question. Frame a question to get the underlined word as answer. She speaks Russian language fluently. Yes, she speaks Russian language fluently. Yes, form a question, frame a question to get underlined word as the answer. How does she speak? Yes. Yes, answer is from Kripa. How does she speak? Kripa, Rashmi, how does she speak? Yes, the correct answer is how does she speak Russian language? That is the correct answer. Next one, change into exclamatory sentence. Shakuntala is such an interesting play. Yes, I want your answer. I want you to type the answer here. Yes. So Shakuntala is such an interesting play. What an interesting play Shakuntala is. How does, what an interesting, that is Vaishnavi V. Hegde's answer. What an interesting play is Shakuntala's. Shakuntala is ಎರಡು ಸಲ ಬೇಡ ಅಲ್ಲಿ ಯಾರದು ಬರೆದಿದ್ದು ಕೃಪಾ. ವಾಟ್ ಆನ್ ಇಂಟ್ರೆಸ್ಟಿಂಗ್ ಪ್ಲೇ ಶಕುಂತಲಾ ಈಸ್ ಸರಿ ಆಗ್ತದೆ. ಮತ್ತೆ ಇನ್ಯಾರು ಆನ್ಸರ್ ಬರೆದ್ರಿ? ಟೈಪ್ ಯಾರು ಮಾಡ್ತಾ ಇದ್ದೀರಿ? ಎಸ್. ಹೌ ಇಂಟ್ರೆಸ್ಟಿಂಗ್ ಶಕುಂತಲಾ ಪ್ಲೇ ಈಸ್ ಅಲ್ಲ, ಹೌ ಇಂಟ್ರೆಸ್ಟಿಂಗ್ ಪ್ಲೇ ಶಕುಂತಲಾ ಈಸ್. ವಾಟ್ ಆನ್ ಇಂಟ್ರೆಸ್ಟಿಂಗ್ ಪ್ಲೇ ಶಕುಂತಲಾ ಈಸ್. ವಾವ್, ವಾಟ್ ಆನ್ ಇಂಟ್ರೆಸ್ಟಿಂಗ್ ಪ್ಲೇ ಶಕುಂತಲಾ ಈಸ್ ವುಡ್ ಬಿ ದ correct answer. Okay? Yes. Over whatever questions I have brought. Okay, children, but what will I do? I have told you to solve one question in the WhatsApp group. Have you solved them once you come to their this list? Okay, so I have sent one question